guys, Katelyn here. I have had a few questions about how I do the kind of like half up braided hairstyle. So I am starting with my hair crimped, which I did a video on, so you can go back and watch that if you want. And then I was just gonna show you really quick how I do that kind of messy braided half up hairstyle. I kind of wing it every time, to be honest. So we'll see how this goes. So I usually just start with a piece up here, and then I do, like, I'll part it like I'm gonna braid it, and I leave like a chunk in the front out. I'll just part it in 3, and then I do that, I think it's called a Dutch braid, but it's kind of like a reverse French braid. So instead of going over, I go under. So I'll kind of start my braid out a little bit here, and then I pull it kind of like I'm going backwards, and then I just grab little pieces as I go. Okay, and that's usually about all I'll do. I just do a little chunk there. And just finish the braid. And then to hold it, I just take a bobby pin and then clip it there, and then do the other side. And then I clip that. So then to kind of get it a little messier, I just pull on my little pieces. And just pull. Just clip it back. Kind of hard. I usually use 2 bobby pins. And the same with this side. Just pull. And I'll pull some more. Okay, so there you go, easy peasy. I just had to watch a lot of videos on how to do that kind of braid, but it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So there you ladies go. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Bye.